Spaceship Super is an Australian superannuation fund that was acquired by the global investment platform eToro in late 2024. If you're a current or prospective member, you'll be glad to know that, yes, you can still use Spaceship Super following the acquisition. The core message is that Spaceship Super continues to operate under the Spaceship brand. eToro's acquisition was an expansion strategy, not a closure. For existing members, your superannuation account and investments remain with Spaceship. The Spaceship brand will remain in place, serving its client base, and the management of your Spaceship investments is still conducted through the Spaceship app or website. The acquisition by eToro is expected to strengthen and broaden the product offerings for both platforms' users over time. For current Spaceship Super members, the main long-term change is the planned integration with eToro's multi-asset platform. This means that, eventually, you may be able to link your Spaceship and eToro accounts and potentially view your Spaceship balances directly within the eToro app. Additionally, it means you'll eventually gain access to eToro's broader suite of investment tools, resources, and potentially other products. For eToro users, the acquisition brings superannuation into their portfolio, allowing them to access the Spaceship Super offering through the eToro platform in the future, marking a significant step into the long-term savings space. The eToro acquisition is a strategic move to combine their global multi-asset investing capabilities with Spaceship's local expertise, especially in the superannuation sector. In the immediate term, there is no requirement for Spaceship Super members to take action regarding their super, as the fund continues to operate. You should keep an eye out for direct communications from Spaceship about any gradual changes or integrations that roll out over time, as these will provide the definitive steps for any new features or linking options.